In this video, I'll show you how to add an AI agent node in N8N. First, log into your N8N account and open an existing workflow or create a new one. Next, click the plus button to add a new node and search for AI agent. Now select the AI agent node from the results. After that, connect a trigger or another node to the AI agent so it receives the information it needs. Next, connect a supported chat model to the AI agent and configure your model credentials. Now, add a prompt or instructions that explain what you want the AI agent to do. After that, connect any tools or memory you want the agent to use, such as an HTTP request, database, or other N8N nodes. Next, click Execute step to test the agent and review its response. If needed, adjust the instructions, model, or connected tools until the result is correct. Finally, save the workflow and activate it when you're ready for the AI agent to run automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an AI agent node in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.